This is problem 8.2 out of Brigham and Houston's Fundamentals of Financial Management Concise 9th edition. It's asking about a portfolio beta, and we have an individual that has $20,000 in a stock with a beta of 0.6 and $75,000 in a beta of 2.5. Those are the only two investments. What's your portfolio beta? The beta of a portfolio is the weighted average of the betas of the individual stocks. So we'll call this the low stock. And she has $20,000 in the low stock. And the high beta stock, she got $75,000. All right, so the grand total between the two is $95,000. 95 thousandths is in the low beta stock, and 75 95s are the high beta stock. So these are the probabilities that any particular dollar is invested in either the low stock or the high stock. If I put the betas in here, 0.6 for the low beta, and 2.5 for the high beta. All right, so that's the beta. This is the weight. All right, weight times beta is equals weight times beta, and then just add those two together. That's the weighted average for the stock portfolio. Now, if I had just taken the average of these two numbers, I'd have gotten a much different answer. That's because about 80% of this portfolio is invested in the high beta stock, and the only 20% in the low beta stock. So that means there's a lot more weight given to the high beta. There's another shortcut for calculating this rather than going through the motions of creating a column where you're multiplying this times this, and that's called the sum product function. All right, so if you do sum product, it'll take a column of numbers and multiply it by another column. So D5 to D6 is the weights, comma, and then multiply that by E5 to E6, that's the betas. So if I did that, I'll get the same answer. It's just a shortcut where I don't have to create a new column of numbers. All right. So this number and this number are the same. The sum product function is just a shortcut.